you're supposed to go home and enjoy yourself and have fun. So what do? You get home, and instead of having fun, the main thing is to watch TV. And TV is an electronic reproduction of existence, which is cut off from you by a glass wall. It has no smell. If you're very rich, it has color. But you are as in a zoo, where you look at something beyond the bar, where it says, do not touch the exhibits. You cannot touch it. You cannot mingle with it. You merely witness it in a passive way. And while you do this, you are served a TV dinner. And in the meantime, you get absorbed by the spectacle going on in front of you, in which you do not participate, you merely witness it.